Hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporify Learn. Today, let's continue with the second chapter for PUC Mathematics, exercise 2.2 of Relations and Functions chapter. Let's see on the first question. That is, they have given let a is equal to 1 2 3 4 is up to 14. Okay, this is a set given that is up to 14. Okay, and define a relation for r from a to a. They have named this set as a, right? So they want a relation from a to a, and the relation is given by x comma y, some variable. 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x comma y, see this x comma y is there, no, that is belonging to this set A. Okay, that belongs to set A, and write its domain, codomain and range. This is how we have to solve this question. Let's first write down what is the relation that they have particularly given. See, they have given from x to y, right? That is from 3x minus y is equal to 0 they have given. See, now it is equal to 0 and here it is minus, so 3x, if you send this here, it will be equal to y. I hope you understood this step. 3x will be equal to y. So again the same you have to repeat, where x comma y is belonging to a and the relation is this. Now if you want to find this type of relation for this, see here, let it be 3x is equal to y. Here I'll erase it so that it will be easy for us to understand. See, now 3x is equal to y means, now substitute 1 for x. 3 into 1. Here let's take x is equal to 1. Okay, for x is equal to 1, 3 into 1 is equal to what? 3 is equal to, see, y means what? 3 into 1. See, 3 into 1 you substituted, so you got the value of y as 3. So x value is 1 and y value is what? 3. Here let's write down 1 comma 3. See, I hope you got how I substituted this. Now again same way, x is equal to 2, take 3 into 2 will be equal to 6. For 2 it is 2 comma 6. Okay, here write down 2 comma 6. I'll explain this again. 3 into 2 you took in x place. So x's value is 2. 3 into 2, if you multiply, you'll get answer 6. So this value is y. Now this is 2 into 6. Okay. Now x is equal to 3 and 3 into 3 will be equal to 9. So this is 3 comma 9 and this is 4 comma 12 because it is 3 multiples. Okay, and you cannot write 5 comma 15 because the range they have given is up to 14, right? So we have to write only up to 12. Let's not confuse this by writing this. I hope you understood this step, how to write the sets from, that is 1 3 2 6 3 9 and 4 12. Why we didn't write 14? Because only the set is up to 14. Now if we see on the next step, see, now we got this is a relation is equal to. Now if you have to take out the domain, they have said us to write the domain, right? Domain of r, you can write the full form. I have written only d is equal to 1 2 3 and 4. See, right, this is the domain value. And if you want the codomain will be what? The whole set, right? This is nothing but the first pair of elements. Okay, first pair of elements. This codomain, I'll write in short form as cd of r, will be equal to a, that is equal to 1 up to 14. This is up to 14 also. And now if you see for range, okay, r, okay, r of r, same, the relation r of range, let me take this as ra of a is equal to second pair of elements, that is 3 6 3 6 9 and 12. I hope you got this. This is nothing but domain, this is nothing but range. The codomain is nothing but the a set they have given, the whole set of elements. Okay, this is how you solve these questions. Next, if we go on to the second question, they have given define a set of relation r on set n means what? Natural numbers. Relation they have given is x plus 5, that is y is equal to x plus 5. Here also x they have given condition as it is less than 4. Okay, is a natural number. It is what? Natural number that is less than 4 and that belongs to n. Depict its relation using roster form. I hope you know the roster form and cell builder. And we have to find domain and range. Okay. Now if we have to take out this, let's find out first the what are the relation. How we wrote in 1, 3, that and all. See, if you have to take out this value, first you have to substitute, right? They have given x is less than 4, so we can predict that x will be equal to what? 1 2 3. Okay, now substitute. Okay, y is equal to 1, 1 plus 5 will be equal to 6, x is equal to 1, so y is equal to 6, so the relation will be 1 comma 6. And same way x is equal to 2 means y will be equal to 2 plus 5, that will be equal to 7, so 2 comma 7. Next, if you take for 3, it will be x is equal to 3, y will be equal to 3 plus 5, that will be equal to 8. That will be equal to 8. Okay. Now, this is how you got the relation 1, 6, 2, 7 and relation is equal to. And now, if you have to find the domain are nothing but domain. Domain is nothing but first elements, right? 1, 2 and 3. And they have given the range. Range is what? Second pair of elements as we saw in previous 6, 7 and 8. Domain and range. Okay. Now if we see the next problem, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Define a relation R from A to B by X is to Y. X comma Y is to, the difference is odd. Okay, they have given it is odd. And X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. We have to write that in roster form. See, now they have given X. First, write down what are the sets they have given. 1, 2, 3, and 5 is what? 4, 6, and 9. Okay. A and B sets they have given. Now, if you have to find out the relation, R is equal to, they have given, write down the same. What they have given here. Here you have to write down the same. Okay. Now, if you want to find out the relation in roster form means what? In brackets you have to write. See, they have given 1 comma 4. See, the difference between x and y is odd. Okay, the difference between x and y should be odd. Okay, now if you take the difference between 1 and 4, it is 3, that is odd only, so you can take that pair. You can take next is 1 6, 1 6 value is 5, sorry, 1 6 value is 5, so that is also odd. And 1 9 you cannot take because the difference will be what? 8, 8 is a even number. So check for 2 4, 2 4 is also not coming because it will be 2, 2 6 also it is not possible, 2 9 it is possible, the answer is coming as 7, right? 2 9. The same way if you solve you will get as 3 4 you will get 1, and 3 6 you can take, that is 3, and next will be 5 4 will you get 1, and 5 6 also you will get 1. This is the roster form for the given question. See, now next they have given a figure that is of set P and Q, and what is the relation in set builder and roster form? We have to write its domain and range also. Now if we have to solve the set builder form, see, if we have to found the set builder form, we have to first see what are the relation that is happening, right? See, if you see the question you will understand as see, there are 5 and 3, there is two difference. 6 and 4, there is two difference. 7 and 5, there is two difference. So you can write as r is equal to x comma y is equal to, that is y is equal to x minus 2 you can write, because if you take y value as 5, x value will be 5 minus 2, that is 3. Okay, now you can take as x belongs to P. Okay, now the same way you can write for first question, that is set builder. For roster you can write it as 5 3 6 4 and 7 5. The pair which they have given is 5 3 6 4 and 7 5. This is what they have given. Now if we see the domain, this is domain and this is range. You write domain as 5 6 7 and range is 3 4 5. Domain is 5 6 and 7, range is 3, 4, and 5. I hope you got this question. Let's see the next fifth question. They have given A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Let R be the relation A defined by A comma B belongs to A. B is exactly divisible by A. Okay. Write in roster and find the domain and range. Okay. Now if we see the relation, what it will come, they have given A is equal to what they have given, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Okay. Now if we write the relation, what they have said, B is exactly divisible by A. Now if we have to see B is exactly divisible by A, we have to see those sets that is exactly divisible. If we take A as 1 and B as 2, whether it is divisible or not, we have to see. First, let's see for 1. 1 comma 1, we can see yes, it is divisible. 1 comma 2, yes, it is divisible. 1 comma 3, in 1 all are divisible. 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Okay. Now if we see for 2, 2 is divisible. 2, 4 is divisible. 1s are 2s, and 2, 6 is divisible. Now if we see 3, 3 is divisible, and 3, 6 is divisible. And 4, 4 is divisible, and 4 is not divisible by anything. 6, 6. Okay. Now this is what we have got the relation. The first element, first pair of elements, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Those are domain. Domain is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. And range is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 again, because 1, um 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, and 6 is here. All are elements. The domain and range both are same for this particular question. If we see the next question, they have given x comma x plus 5, that is x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Now r is equal to x, they have given x comma 5, right? X plus 5, x comma x plus 5, that is x belongs to what this symbol belongs to, right? That belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now that if you see the relation, what it will happen, if you take the value of x as 0, 0 comma 0 plus 5, that is 5. If you take 1, 1 comma 6, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 8, 4 comma 9, 5 comma 10. This is the relation you will get. This first pair of elements are what? Domain. Domain is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to write it in curly braces. And the range will be equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now if we see the next question, which is easiest of all, see they have given x comma x cube. X is a prime number less than 10. Okay. Now let's see what are the prime numbers that are less than 10. 1 is not a prime number. Prime number is basically what means that are divisible by itself and only 1. Okay. Now if we say 3 as example, it is divisible by 3 and itself. Okay. Itself and 1. Okay. That is called as prime number. So if we take example 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 you cannot, because 8 is divisible by 2. And if you take 6, 6 is divisible by 3. And if you take 10 is divisible, oh they have given, okay, we will not consider 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So we will not consider these all because they are divisible by some other number except 1 and itself. So basically those are numbers that are divisible by 1 and itself. If we take 2 and they have given the cube of itself, right? If we consider this x is this pair, and the cube of this will be cube 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2's 4, 4 2's are 8, and cube of 3 will be 27, and 5 cube will be 125, and 7 cube will be 343. This is how you have to do, and this pair will be 2, 8, and 3, 27, 5, 125, and 7, 343. I hope you got how I have found out the cube. 7 into 7 into 7 will give you what? 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 7 you have to do. See, 63. You will get 6, and 6 if you carry, 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 6 will give you 34. That is how you got 343. This is the range or relation we have found out. Now they have given x is equal to a is equal to xyz, b is equal to 1 to relation from a to b we have to find out. Okay, number of relations. If we have to find the number of relations in any set, first see how many elements are there totally. Okay, x y z, you have to do a to b, right? So you have to relate with all a, x here, and z also. So first write down x comma 1, x comma 2, y comma 1, y comma 2, z comma 1, z comma 2. This is how you got number of sets will be 6. That is, if you have to find out number of sets, you will do 2 power 6. That is number of subsets. These are number of subsets you got here, right? So if you found out 2 power 6, that you will get it as um, you have to do nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 power 6 into 6 times you have to do. You will get it as 64. The answer will be equal to 64. Next, the last question of this exercise is, let R be the relation. R is equal to A to B, that is A minus B is an integer. Okay, it should be an integer. We have to find domain and range again. See, if we have to find out it is integer, that means all the numbers, that is positive, negative, all are turned to be integers, right? By the question only we can say that it is know that, see, if you take any number between two integers, that is they have said belongs to integers only. So if you take 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, it is also integer. If you take 2 minus 1, it is 1, it is also integer. All are belonging to integers, so you can say that it is always an integer. So domain will be also z, and range will also be equal to z. I hope you understood this whole exercise. 9 questions which are very easy, and if you have any doubts you can let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching the full video. Please make sure to like, share to your friends so that it will be helpful, and like to my video. Thank you for watching the full video. Stay tuned.